Hello my friends, welcome to Training with KS. Today is 9th of April 2025. So today is the activation of the US tariff against all the other country, the reciprocal tariff. Okay. Bursa crash, another crash. Other country still drop a bit, but didn't really crash but Bursa really crashed today. 50 KLCI dropped 50 over points. Also, how to say? Looks like this 24% tariff will really hurt our this industry our this industry E&E, and all this export to US okay. But let's see how it goes let's see how it goes. Okay, a quick disclaimer before we continue. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out. Now it's 3:52 p.m. so we don't need to wait until market close to know what is going on so today Bursa already dropped below 1,004 already so 1393 okay. KLCI dropped 50 points, 3.487%. Okay, Singapore dropped 2.080%, Hong Kong up 1.212%, South Korea dropped 1.736%, Japan dropped 3.933%, Thailand up 0.874%, China FTSE up 0.291%, China SSE up 1.312%, China SXE dropped 1.222%, up 1.222%, China SSE also up 1.312%, and China FTSE up 0.291%. Okay, Australia dropped 1.798%, Taiwan dropped 5.787%, and this India Nifty dropped 0.517%. So I mean there is a hope that this tariff might not be executed because a lot of countries want to negotiate, right? So until at night maybe we have to wait but until now we didn't hear any this US officials saying that they are going to delay they are saying that they are going to implement. So now market is still worried we have to, maybe tonight we have to see okay, up to yesterday we are hearing that they are still going to implement okay, especially China so now it's a counter blow, this US and China, or now US okay, the tariff to China so China retaliate with another 34%, right? Now US is going to retaliate with another 50%, right? This one another 50%, so total will be up to 104%. And this and I hear this China also starting to use other way to fight back so they are actually going to stop all these this is what rumors I'm hearing stop all the movies showing in US movie showing in China so China is a very big market for these movies, right? So it's a counter blow we want to see how is it okay, see who blink first okay. Dow Jones dropped 0. Look at Europe, UK, FTSE dropped 1.785%, DAX dropped 1.764%. This yesterday I think today could drop more, but Europe and UK is going to negotiate it's going to negotiate with US, so probably it will not hurt them too much Dow Jones up dropped 0.847% yesterday. NYSE dropped 1.435%, S&P dropped 1.570%, and Nasdaq dropped 2.149%. Okay, crude palm oil dropped again 4.644, and Brent oil dropped to 61, crude oil dropped to 58 so the drop of this oil okay might you see the US people fear after the tariff, right, the inflation gonna go up lah. Okay, but the brand, the drop of the Brent oil, the oil could counter a bit, compensate a little bit of this inflation, and that's why I think probably this Fed they are saying this inflation could be for what word he's saying there's one word he say transitory lah, basically will not last long lah. Okay, but we don't know yet lah. We have to wait and see lah, because this escalation between US and China is going to be getting bigger and bigger lah. Okay, so it's going to hurt the global market also lah. You see, you know lah. The number 1, number 2 fight is going to hurt the global market, but maybe we can get something. Malaysia can get some opportunity lah. But the problem, I mean, there's one concern also lah. There's one concern lah. That you see, if US raise this China tariff too high lah, so they cannot compete in the US market, right? So Malaysia, our glove, our product might have a advantage going to US but the problem is China cannot sell to US, right? They got too much inventory. They might find other way to sell it cheap lah. Also, there could be a possibility that they will dump all their product in Asian market lah. In Asian market, which I mean, it's good for consumer, okay, but it's not good for the industry in Asia lah. In this Asia small company, all these we get a lot of pressure if we get dumping of these cheap goods lah. Okay, so those countries who gonna dump, right, their industry, like Europe now, they are trying to protect this China from selling a lot of things, dumping a lot of cheap thing into their country lah. Okay, or else their industry also will die lah. They no compare one, no fight one once for with this mass manufacturing in China, right, you cannot fight one. Or once you start to dump in, all your industry probably will get hurt lah. There's a possibility lah. I'm not saying it will happen lah. There could be a possibility lah. Okay. Bitcoin 77,000 and Ethereum 1,481 lah. Okay. So this why now I think Europe, they're discussing lah, not to let this when China cannot sell to US, right, they will try to dump, I think the foreigners, all the build up inventory that's supposed to go to US, they will dump it to Europe lah. So Europe will be careful lah, because if they start to dump all the cheap electronic, all the thing there, all the Europe industry, they will probably will KO lah. Okay. Look at this. Bursa. Okay, now up a bit lah. 1397 lah. Now I think they will defend the 1,004 lah. I think they'll defend the 1,004. Okay, 45.71 points drop. Now it's 359 lah. Okay, 3.17% drop. 3.23 billion volume. Sentiment 14, gainers 169, losers 1017, unchanged 246, and traded 918. Yesterday another 399 million foreign net sell. Local institution bought 332 million, and local retail bought 67 today. Moreover, glove got some rebound later, man, to take a look lah. Okay, look at the sector. In percentage, consumption drop another 4.35, consumer drop another 2.09, energy drop 5.21, finance drop 4.25, healthcare drop 0.62, industry drop 4.17, plantation drop 1.81, property drop 3.63, REIT drop 2.01, technology drop 4.19, telco drop 1.46, transportation drop 2.79, utilities drop 3.26. So another crash today. Okay. Look at the chart. Okay, you see another big gap down, continue to drop lah. Continue to drop. So the big support I think is here. There's one big support I think is here. 13, this one, 1374. Around this area, I think probably if it really come to here, I think this is probably bottom already. It cannot be dropping through here. If it drop to here, okay, we are going to drop to the COVID low. Okay, if broken here, we are going back to COVID low. There is a possibility. I'm not saying guarantee. I'm not saying I'm not saying that there's no chance it will drop to COVID low. It could drop to COVID low because it's almost as bad but not as bad as COVID COVID totally cannot do anything, right? So I think if it's not as bad as COVID, right, probably it will come back to test this bottom here, 1374. So this could be the opportunity that we are waiting for I mean, as an investor okay. This Ace market, okay. Ace market probably drop a bit more, probably got some support over here okay, drop 4.9 points. Small cap, mid cap drop 3.41. Okay, mid cap maybe the support is around here okay, the support is around here, around here, 13,009. So it could come back to here. Maybe here is a temporary acceptance bottom. It might, I mean, it might go lower because the escalation between US and this China, if we cannot sell to US, they might dump the I mean, they might find other route to sell the product cheap because over inventory, right? Then it might hurt other country also okay. It's good for consumer can buy cheap but not good for the industry okay. So small cap, okay, small cap maybe got some support over here. I think small cap got some support over here. Okay, I think this could be the near-term bottom near-term bottom. I think 1374 for KLCI here. I think could have a rebound okay, hopefully okay. Look at construction, 5% drop. Construction, you see, okay, I think it will crash back to this. Okay, I think you remember I told you I use this model, right? The double top. Okay, I told you I use this double top, right? Okay, once it come down to this level, probably to gauge the market could be the bottom already. Means because it already fulfilled the double bottom. Okay, so if this one realign, came back to here, rebound, and KLCI come back to drop to here, rebound, then this could be a line that we could have a near-term bottom. Okay, near-term only we are not saying long-term because this escalation could be longer Our consumer also start to drop again 2%. I think you look at this 1, 2, 3, it could go much slower You use Fibonacci. Okay, energy also 1, 2, 3 Fibonacci. I think it will come down to here. 522 healthcare. Okay, healthcare also healthcare we got a rebound, but then after that drop again because we got 100%, right, on US on China. Okay, 104 add another 50% that they were going to implement tonight okay, unless China got some new strategy, threaten US scared, didn't implement the tariff, or maybe China gonna call US and talk. We don't know we have to see blow per blow we have to see okay. Finance is another big drop, 4%. Can you imagine finance drop 4%, right? It's really very scary okay, very very scary okay. Finance is dropping out this channel already, so finance could even drop even lower. Okay, industry, okay, industry already dropped below this low, so industry might even drop to the okay, and now it's here. Okay, it's here. So we broke below here, industry could drop back to the COVID low. Okay, COVID low. But this is not as bad as COVID COVID is totally shut down, right? So hopefully okay. Plantation also already dropped out of the channel, could be continue. Property double top, right? Okay, property another model that we need to use this one. Okay, we come back to this 789, this double top target. This could be the finish the drop. Okay, REIT still dropping a little bit. Technology. Okay, technology up 5%, drop 4%. REIT also dropped 2%. Also, technology could be dropped to the bottom channel here. Okay, bottom channel here. Then maybe we have reached the bottom Okay, align with KLCI and wait and see. Telco still dropping a little bit, 1%. Transportation also still dropping. You know if global trade war, there will be less logistic, less import export, all those so it will hurt the transportation definitely Okay. Utilities also start to break below here. So utilities one is start below 1748. That's why the next target we'll be looking at, the next support will be here. So it could drop back to 1003 okay. Look at Facebook a bit. So today Mr. Bean also fainted lah. Okay. Also this one we saw the big drop lah. Scary lah. Okay. Morning already bad, but evening even worse, right? Okay. But I think closing time, our guardian angel will push it a bit lah. Andy say he say 1414 now already dropped to 1414. Now it's 13 something nice chart Rico say. So stolen say 1000 1000 too bad lah. Jimmy say you you miss me or not? Biden say. Jim say KS say KS is quite very accurate lah. Okay, what he's saying lah. Okay. And he say somebody is trying to scam using my Facebook He say somebody contact him, ask him to reply. Hey, I will never contact you. Remember, you message me, you WhatsApp me, I will reply to you. But I will never contact you and ask you to join anything. I will never contact you, ask you to attend anything, join anything, buy anything. No, I will never contact you to buy anything. Okay, if you already contact me, I will reply. Okay, I will reply. But if you never contact me before, I will never contact you. Do take note, all these are scammer. Okay, I will never contact you. Okay. Highlight. Waiting, Terry. Yum. Waiting for good price. Good price. Another red today. All red morning. Quite bad. Look at this. Stanley. Mau. Yesterday rebound. Today laying down. Sifu. Opportunity come. The news say okay. Andy say what? Bad something like that. Okay. LV. Okay. So actually, it's better to have patience. So it's still too early. KSA 1004 is good. Now in dilemma. Hey. You don't say 1000. You don't guarantee 1004 is beaten. Okay, they might push it up and hold here. And hold at 1004 I mean this KLCI KLCI sorry. Or they might still hold it at 1004. Okay, they might hold it at 1004 area. You might never know Okay, around here 1004 and 101374 they might hold it in this area. So you never know. One day trip tak lau say drop more please Kim Lim I think his name. US got to raise 100% tariff on China. Let the glove rebound, but you know you never know one. Maybe tonight suddenly they start to negotiate. You never know. That's why you cannot simply just jump in now. It's too risky. Yeah. Who is that? Louis. It's still too risky. You never know one. Okay. One call you jump in everything now. One call tonight between China and US, you are koyak already. Okay. Andy 1414 kena already. Johnson expected more drop, better value buying when the time is right. Margin is positive move also will be there correct Okay. Axiata no foreign fund drop again. No foreign fund. Today up a bit, right? Axiata, I told you, right? Axiata doesn't matter. They are not exporting goods, right? They have nothing to do with them. Okay, they are telco services, right? Services, right? So nothing to do with them. This tariff, all this, for now lah. I mean, got not too much to do with them lah. So they are still holding here. It's still okay lah, Axiata. Okay, waiting for good time tak lau. Pharma, is it affect? Of course, the whole Malaysia drop, of course, affect lah. Okay, Pharma, we think is close to a bottom lah. We have to wait for the reversal pattern lah. So it's trying to make a bottom here. Okay, this 20, I said, it could be double bottom. If you rebound from here, then maybe it's making a reversal pattern already. Okay, we still have to wait lah. This one. Okay. Supermax flying hard lah. Supermax got factory in China, right? And got in US, right? If I'm not mistaken. They will not kena tariff that's why I have to fly, right? Okay. John Sniper, drop the base. If you know what to buy, you don't have to worry. I got Supermax in my portfolio. Andrew say can sleep soundly after getting bonus and free warrant too. Okay, Supermax there's chance that Supermax will benefit the most because Supermax got factory in US, right? Timing 来了 Kiwi say Aaron headache money Rosny I think this one is a scam Okay, let's go to the news. But China didn't drop okay.
特朗普对华关税
Trump tariffs on China set to rise to 104% Wednesday. Markets sink again.
白宫周二
The Trump administration will hit China with 104% tariffs starting at 12:01 a.m. Wednesday, the White House said Tuesday. President Donald Trump had threatened an extra 50% on tariffs against China in addition to an initial 20% that was supplemented by 34% reciprocal levies Wednesday after Beijing said it would respond with a 34% tax of its own. On Tuesday, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt told reporters the full package of more than 100% in levies would kick in overnight.
Okay. So, you see lah. I'll see what happens tomorrow.
Matrix Concepts unit acquires stakes in 3 firms for RM
77.9 million.
In a filing with Bursa Malaysia, Matrix Concepts stated that its unit acquired 625,000 ordinary shares, representing a 50% equity interest in Horizon L and LSDNBHD, HLLSB, from 4 vendors for a cash consideration of RM 48.5 million.
Matrix is dropping lah. Matrix is dropping. Whenever news come out, already too late already lah. Okay.
Yongtai forms JV with Tag Hill to develop 2 service suite blocks in Malacca.
Okay, service suite in Malacca. Okay, look at Yongtai. Long time never look at Yongtai already. This one also last time is scoring what? Scoring glove or scoring vaccine? I forgot already. I think scoring glove, right? Yongtai. This one scoring glove, right? 2020. Here. I think this one scoring glove, right? Glove or vaccine? Glove, I think. Yongtai still dropping lah. Reebok support also not good.
Fajar Baru bags RM 64 mil job from SP Setia.
Okay. Fajar dropping lah. Not good lah. Drop outside the channel already. Not good. This one also.
Aeon credits 4Q25 net profit up 10% YOY.
Okay, see whole year. Okay, last year 1.9 billion, now 2.2 billion. Business up, profit 424 million, now 370 a drop profit. Okay, drop. So I don't think it will have a big rebound Okay so already starting rebound drop already this one. Okay, look a little bit like head and shoulder big one also Okay, it's very quite dangerous Okay, quick message before I continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link Okay. Okay, we got KOSSAN Supermax, of course the glove KOSSAN export to I think KOSSAN not so much, right? HARTA, I think TOPGLOVE, right, more to US. KOSSAN didn't break through KOSSAN today up how many percent? 4% but didn't break through 1.87 now it closed at 1.81, so not yet. KOSSAN need to break 1.87 first. Okay, so not yet. Look at Supermax. Okay, went up a bit, but this is not convincing. It's cross. Today 4.52 up, volume 30 million to 77 million. Maybe can try a bit as long as stay above 0.775. Okay, okay, because it did break through but it's not convincing Okay, because it end up with a dodgy. So if tomorrow it drop back below 0.775, also not very good. Okay, unless tomorrow it stay again it stay above 0.0, another green candle tomorrow, then maybe it's a better Okay, you see, if tomorrow still going up, I think it's better. If tomorrow drop back below 0.775, I think still in danger So it's still very risky because of all these tariff thing So we are still unclear whether how long the escalation between US and China. Other country we know is starting to around 70 around 70 country already want to negotiate Okay, even our country also want to go to US and negotiate. So the big one is still with China We have to see which one is going to which one is going to blink first we have to wait and see but now it's still very risky Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.